India is a federal union comprising 28 states and how many union territories? Correct answer is option C 8. Which of the following is the capital of Arunachal Pradesh? Correct answer is option A Itanagar. What are the major languages spoken in Andhra Pradesh? Correct answer is option B Telugu and Urdu. What is the state flower of Haryana? Correct answer is option A lotus. Which of the following states is not located in the north? Correct answer is option A Jharkhand. In which of the following state the main languages is Khasi? Correct answer is option C Meghalaya. Which is the largest coffee producing state of India? Correct answer is option C Karnataka. Which state has the largest area? Correct answer is option D Rajasthan. Which state has the largest population? Correct answer is option A Uttar Pradesh. In what state is Elephant Falls located? Correct answer is option D Meghalaya. What is the capital of Mizoram? Correct answer is option A Aizawl. Which state of India celebrates Hunter Holi, an 800 years tradition? Correct answer is option B Haryana. Which city is known as the summer capital of Jammu and Kashmir? Correct answer is option B Srinagar. Yakshaganga is the folk dance of which state? Correct answer is option C Karnataka. What is the staple drink of Goa? Correct answer is option B Feni.